Hello everybody, this is a bonus video. I could not let this go by without showing you guys. I found these at my local Walmart. They are Pioneer Woman ribbon. Sorry. I got Sweet Rose, which is that one right there. Look at how pretty that is. I got Sweet Romance, which is this really pretty one with like an aqua background. And I got Breezy Blossoms. This is just, it's a white background with tons of multicolored flowers on them. These make really, really nice bows. This is the Breezy Blossoms one. This one is the Sweet Romance. And this one is the Sweet Rose ribbon. I wanted to do one up each to show you guys how pretty this all looks. But these are the ribbons. As you can see, I did use them. And I do have to say they are a little bit on the thin side for grosgrain. As you can see, it's not as stiff as some of it that I would like to use. So if you're going to use this, you're going to want to double up with it. As you can see here, I put a poppy red inside. But all in all, these are really pretty ribbons. I wouldn't go getting them looking to do a whole lot of projects with these because each roll, as you can see, only has 3 yards. And this was like $2.50 per spool. So it's not the most economically friendly to do a lot of projects with. But if you're doing a couple, honestly, I really recommend these. These are cute. They make really great bows, as you can see. And these would be ideal for Mother's Day. Again, these are the Pioneer Woman 7/8 inch grosgrain. They did have 5/8 at my Walmart, but they didn't have anything smaller or larger than the 5/8 and 7/8. So if you like these, go snap them up. I don't know how long they're going to be. But all in all, very cute. And as you can see, they do make some really cute bows. And I'm just showing you guys side by side the ribbon and what I did with it. So there you go. This was a little bonus just to review the ribbon, tell you guys what I think of it, and where I got it. So again, I would say go get these. They're fun. They'll make great Mother's Day bows. So thank you guys for tuning in for this little bonus video, but I couldn't let the opportunity pass without being able to share these with you guys. If you like this type of content, please make sure to like this video. If you are not already subscribed, click the subscribe button somewhere around here. And also click the bell button next to it so you are notified every time I upload a new video. Most of my viewers are not subscribers, so what are you waiting for? I'm going to be bringing regular content, so please feel free to subscribe. It really helps boost me in the algorithm. If you have any questions about this ribbon, or comments, or suggestions for other products you'd like me to review, please leave that down below in the comments box. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week with part 3 to the Wednesday inspired split bow. Thank you. Bye.